Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna make or start our first episode of Python basic series. So let's get started. First, we gotta install Python. We're just gonna open our web browser and click on Python. Like this, you're gonna see a link over here saying welcome to python.org. You're just gonna click on it, and then there's gonna be a web page, and you gotta go to download and click on the latest version of your Python, like this. And then you're gonna scroll and find your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll just download it like this. Click on download and install. Now you can see that the download has started. Open it. Click on install Python. You can see that if the items are on, you can just click yes or no. For me it's a yes. After you have done everything correctly, you're gonna see it like this. You're just gonna click on no, and then it closes. You just gotta close your browser and go to your home and click on Python. You can see that the Python has installed. Search for IDLE and it's gonna take a while. You can see this window open up. What you're gonna do is click Ctrl+N, and then you're gonna see another pop-up. Just close the behind one, and this is the place where you code the script area. Here you're gonna code the Python. Today we're gonna discuss about operations like print and giving variables and all that stuff. So let's get started. Let's get started with the print function. So what you're gonna do is click on print. You're gonna click on print and you're gonna open your brackets, and you can keep a double inverted mark so that whatever you type in that is gonna print on the screen. For suppose I'm gonna keep it as hello world. Here we have done a simple code saying print hello world. Now we are just gonna click on run module, and you gotta save it. After you found your location path, you're just gonna keep it as any file name you want. I'm just gonna keep it as one and click on save, and you can see that there is hello world like this on the output screen. So this is a success. So now let's just close this. So this is the function of print. It prints the text which is in the inverted commas, like just like this. You can keep anything like something like hello world or anything you can think of. And then now let's go to variables. What is a variable? A variable is an placeholder where you store things, giving it a name. Like in maths you have x, y and z. Like that in coding also you have the same letters. Given we can give them a value, and you can do multiple operations with them. Now we are gonna see about it. Here we are gonna write it as a is equals to, because we are giving it an operation, we can type anything we want. I'm gonna type a number like 5, and then I'm gonna give b is equals to, again I'm gonna keep it as 10. Here we have given the value for the two variables. Here a is 5 and b is 10. Like that, now we are gonna give them a function to do. So we are gonna again use another variable c is equals to, and now you can perform if you can perform any operation you want, like this. If you want a multiplied with b, you can do this. You can do a plus b or a minus b, something like that. Or you can just do a divided by b. For now I'm gonna do a plus b. Now we are gonna use the print option because we want the output to print. We are gonna use brackets, same inverted mark. Here you're gonna keep it as the sum of 5 plus 10 is. Here what I'm going to do is go out of the double inverted mark, and you're going to keep an comma and see what is happening here is the print option shows the sum of 5 plus 10 is colon is gonna show it as it is, and with the comma and c it's gonna show the value of c, like a plus b. It is supposed to show 15. So let's test it. We again click on run module, we click on OK. See, here we got the value as 15. Now this is a success. So what if the user has to enter the numbers? So we can make a small application to find the sum of the numbers. So what you're gonna do is click a, your first variable is equals to int, which means input, with a bracket open, again saying input, and again a bracket open with an double inverted, saying enter the first number, and we're gonna close the inverted marks and close the both brackets. What is happening here is a, which is a variable, is int. Here we are using int to make the user give an input to the code, and this input is used to print enter the first number or something like that. So if the user clicks the first number as some 12, then the a value also becomes 12. So you're gonna do the same thing to b2. So you can clump b is equals to int input in double invert open, saying enter the second number. Here we have this, and now you have to do a perform an operation. So just like before, you're gonna add another variable c, and you click on equals to. You're gonna perform an operation. For now we are gonna find the product of the numbers, which means multiplication. So you click on a star b, which means multiplication. You just can't keep x in the middle because it's a thing. You have to keep the star, and then you click on enter, and you just go to write print double invert the product of the numbers are colon, and what you're gonna do is comma and C. Here, just like the same, there is gonna be the enter the product of the numbers R and C, which is A to B, and we'll click on run and test it. It's asking me the first number. I'll type it as 10, and it's asking me the second number. I'll type it as 3, and the product of the numbers is 30, just like we thought. So these are the basic functions of the Python, and we are gonna learn a bit more on the next video, so stay tuned for part 2. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.